Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is PMS, subject Social Studies, grade 7, lecture number 37. Chapter number 10, The Early Muslims, page number 47 and 48. Today we will start chapter number 10. So open your books, page number 47. There is a brief history and achievements of the Arab Muslim from the 7th to 16th centuries. What are the names of the Khulafai Rashidin? Their names are Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu, Hazrat Usman radiallahu anhu, Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu. At the time of death of Hazrat Ali anhu, Islam had spread beyond Arabia. Major expansion of Islam during the caliphate of Hazrat Umar anhu. How far Islam expanded? It is expanded from Persia, Iran to east, Persia to east, Syria, Iraq, and Byzantine. Byzantine means modern Turkey, Egypt to the west. Point out these countries in the world map of the Oxford School Atlas for Pakistan, page 71 or world map in your geo book. Effects of this expansion. Persia and Byzantine empires, modern Iran and Turkey, were culturally developed at that time. The Arabs not only brought these countries under their rule but also learned from them. The Umayyad Dynasty. It came to power in 661 Common Era under Amir Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan, the governor of Syria. The steps he took. He shifted the capital to Damascus, Syria, a city of historical importance. Damascus is believed to be the oldest living city in the world. It is said that Damascus has extended at that site for the last 9,000 years. Expansion during the Umayyad dynasty was across North Africa, Europe, and Asia to Tangier, Morocco in North Africa, Spain, Europe, Bukhara and Samarkand, Uzbekistan, Sindh up to Multan, India. The development of the navy by the Umayyad ruler Amir Muawiyah resulted in the conquest by sea of the islands of Sicily and Rhodes, Constantinople, Mediterranean, and Spain under Tariq. The man who left his marks was the Berber general Tariq, after whom the straits and the Rock of Gibraltar are named. Gibraltar is a variation on Jabal Tariq, Tariq's hill. It is said that having landed on Spanish soil, Tariq ordered half his ships to be burned. There would be no turning back for his men, who had to go ahead. The other half of the fleet were hidden The other half of the fleet was hidden behind the cliffs. What is Strait? A narrow passage of water connecting two seas or two other large areas of water. Conquest by land North Africa. The effects of Muslim rule in Spain under the Umayyads. Cordoba was made the capital. Education, science, medicines, art, and culture flourished. Cordoba's university was the largest and the best. It was a tolerant society. The Arab rule lasted in Spain till the 15th century. Their influence can be seen in architecture, language, food, and culture. Granada, a city in southern Spain, was the last stronghold. To the east, Muslim rule swept into Central Asia to the borders of China. The end of Umayyad rule in 750 Common Era, they were defeated by Abbasid who established their dynasty. Look at the map. There you can see Umayyad Dynasty. Dark green shows the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam Khilafat, Caliphate. There you can also see Khulafai Rashidin period and then Umayyad Dynasty. The Abbasids from 750 to 1258 Common Era. Famous rulers were Harun al-Rashid and his son Mamun. Their achievements: founding the city of Baghdad. The Abbasids period is known as the Age of Wealth and Culture. Greek and Latin works were translated and medical schools set up. Baitul Hikmah, mean House of Wisdom, was established in Baghdad, Iraq. The most important contributions were in mathematics and sciences. The Abbasid dynasty came to an end at the hands of the Mongol warlord Hulagu Khan in 1258. The rise of other Islamic states from the 8th to 9th centuries are the Turks, the Ghaznavids in Afghanistan. The Seljuk Turks occupied Iran, Iraq, and Turkey. Look at the map of Abbasid dynasty. Homework. Do reading of page 47 and 48 of chapter number 10.